Hello everyone, welcome back to the next video. So today I just downloaded Godot 4.4 and there is one issue which I am facing is how to download the Android build template. So suppose if I am trying to download it by going to project, install Android build template, I'll click on manage templates and here you can see I'm not able to download it. So it is telling me that not available in offline mode. So you have to make it online. So how to do it? So just go to project, go to editor settings, and here you will have to search for network, go to connection, network mode, and you will have to make this as online, then close, then go to project, install Android build template, click on manage template, and now you can choose whatever mirror or official GitHub release or best available mirror, whatever you feel like, and download and install the file. So again it is telling me can't connect to the mirror. I think we'll have to restart it. Okay, so here it is downloading it for me from GitHub. So yeah, that's it. Thank you for watching. Bye.